Let's try to solve this one. So we have here 4 factorial, 3 factorial. The operation between 4 factorial and 3 factorial is multiplication. Now, to solve for this, we have to get first the value of 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then we are going to multiply it with the value of 3 factorial, and that is 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, let's get the product. 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 is 24 times 1 is 24. Times 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is 6. Now, 24 times 6 is 144. O, ganun lang yun kadali. So, the value of this one is 144. Now, you try. What will be the value of 6 factorial, 5 factorial? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!